For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. Itiskitimes.co.za. It's Bafana 0, Nicaragua 0 in an international friendly. Bafana playing a second string team in the first half. Introducing some of the main starting players in the second half. Very disappointing, of course, for the people of Orlando because they were coming to see their national team for the last time before they see them playing in Mexico for the World Cup in North America. Junior Kanyawa, analyst, what did you think of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikule kunjani mfethu?
Sure.
Ngibulisa wena ngibulisa Justice.
Yes, sir.
Benedict Sovila.
So.
Eba mfethu kunjani, keep on supporting iTiski TV, fighting one try to fix South African football. Yeah, manje ngifuna ukwazi purpose yale friendly game. Asikhulume nale Panama. Okay, Panama better than these guys.
Sure. Sorry.
Cause Panama second half, I think ngiyabona ama moments. I understand whereby they go we are finished. Bengifuna ukwazi purpose yale friendly game. I-purpose yale friendly game angithi coach ngiyazi mhlamba ama games awenzwa uye it's suffer. Bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi do they communicate with the coach and mangabe noma ngabe ba communicator and then bayenza this friendly and then coach naye ayivuma and then boy two and mina kimi I think ngiyamba play mankuleko but I know you go pros and nami ngamuzwa I hear you talking to ngamuzwa athi he prefer to play Zimbabwe and Zambia. I heard him, yes, ngeke ngamuzwa khuluma, if not mistaken I think after AFCON or after
Before AFCON.
We rather play Zambia or Zimbabwe.
Yeah, after seeing in Nicaragua, I don't know, the only credit I could give that coach, Bafana ukuthi mhlambe bengazi ukuthi banjani laba.
Yeah.
But I agree with you. I'd rather play Zambia.
Yeah.
Because Zambia and Zimbabwe, they think we are a European team. Kune-quali futhi xenophobia, they might give us a better match because it's a rivalry. But in Nicaragua, they didn't give us any questions.
A lot of Zimbabwean players in Zambia, they want to come and play in our league.
Yeah, they want to sell themselves.
Yeah. Also, sesiyana coach starting 11 mina I disagree. Ngiyazi ukuthi udlalisa ama players whereby it's a second stream team. Pete Nevers, I know he World Cup yaqala in 2 weeks. But the PSG yadlala kusasa ne-Arsenal. I can tell you if France can play tomorrow. If France players that will play tomorrow. If idlala not ukuthi mhlambe France idlala next week Thursday. Njengoba kudlala PSG ne-Arsenal, you can tell you tomorrow most of the players that are playing tomorrow they will be starting 11 for a preparation for World Cup. You need to have a combination. I mean, it's 2 weeks left. I mean, coach, bekumele ngabe naku kwazile ukufaka abo Jaden Adams, ubafakile abo Police, which is ngibelieve ukuthi uzomqala. Umfakile I think Lebogile Mofokeng. Second half no Mreme uqale ngaye. Ngibelieve ukuthi uzoba ku starting 11. Bakhiphe second half. Qala ngabo and then ba rest second half. Mkwena is not there, it's understandable. Mhlawumbe ungamfaka la this guy usithola uyaya there endaweni yakho talent matter. But qala with your best 11 and then ubone ukuthi noma ngaba ayikatheki sengikhulumela ku coach side lethu. Ayikatheki, just score goals and keep the position, maintain ubone ama areas there and there. Going back the team le if le friendly libe kwi preparation for real, I don't think we tested our defense, honestly. No longer be second stream team.
Yeah.
The goalkeeping, we don't know Ricardo Crosby and if he gets a chance in the World Cup, we don't know. 2 center back, Akon and Makanya, we don't know. Matuidi Mboni lines up and down, not even Begamba one way, not even they were going both of them.
He didn't have a winger to deal with.
We understand. The tactical couldn't even see him. On the left hand side, Kabini Mbonila Milo, Kias Gately, and Zangba Matek. He was just sitting, not going forward. Mreme always, I think if up front, Jegiti, as coming midfield up front, we're rushing men. I understand I'm a players with Namshanje. I think the good is thing good and fun some mistakes since well. Choosing anything can happen. Shambe Askafi World Cup, Bangabizo Munimuntu. Kandi, they were supposed to relax. Ungenidwa police, I think is right, and Rebukhalem Fuking. Rena's not much. I think keep body language is down. Because top striker I am. It started the season very well. I think ila maplayer ngana character now. Apolice ngoba mina bengicabanga ukuthi une character, but uliyo ukuthi afika ko Red Sundowns I think imdemoralizile. I mean the way I see him because namhlanje ungenile nowhere to be seen. First half githi we lack creativity. Thina ku South Africa we lack creativity. We never turn the defense alabantu. We always go sideways. Side to side we want to play this long ball sideways sidlale usibelebele ucoach which is understand i-career yakhe lo mfana ku-Orlando Pirates he done very well since joining Orlando Pirates. This guy bamletha la ku-right wing back bamsine as a wing bamletha ku-right back. Ngiyambona ucoach I think he prefers him up front. Anga-understand ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi yini entsha azoyenza especially on the World Cup up front. I don't understand. Yes, ube nama moment ucreateile ngimbonile a penalty which is we're lucky to get that penalty. I don't think there was a foul there. On the left hand side Mreme decision making khala ngayo every day. Always ngikhala nge-decision making. Mshishi yes ngiyamnika i-credit because he never lost the ball. But ngifuna ukumbona runner behind i-defense man Mshishi. Taking a shot on target. Forster. Angazi uzokora nini if uhlula i-penalty kwi-striker and against this opposition, I mean, bekumele become we're playing at home at Orlando Stadium in front of our fans. If our Corey and not even the goalkeeper make a save, Shaipali. Ngiyazi ukuthi penalty mistake, but make the goalkeeper safe. Second half, I can tell you Nkululeko, hey, we're rushing and goalkeeper is kuna save awenzile, but we never created clear-cut chances. We're rushing. Why is funa ukora ngama cross? Always in senkhuluma ngama game namhlanje. Wanted to cross. Yes, Mfokeng uzamile to try and do something, but njoba ngisho ku squad is not the same player. Le Orlando Pirates mina every time.
Unfortunately, and he has to prove us wrong.
Yeah,
actually.
I love him.
So far,
one of the best
players.
Yeah, I love the boy.
We're his biggest supporters.
Yeah, ngimthanda kakhulu mfana
but he's going to have to prove people wrong.
Yeah.
Because the way he's been at the highest level.
Yeah.
And these matches, even Nkota, even if you think about it,
even him, yes.
Bekuphakamisa isandla Nkota ku Champions League
Yeah.
than Mofokeng. So it's feedback for him as well to say, young man, Mauya World Cup, it's a big one for you. I want to quickly ask you about these three options. Sno Makgopa, Sno Forster, Sno Reynas. It doesn't look like we have top strikers there. But one of them is going to have to play there.
Asna top striker, including number 10. World Cups. Just ukuphendula i-question yakho, top strikers kunzima mfethu. I mean igame le bacala ngoFoster, which is ucoach preference yakhe.
Yeah.
He loves him. Yabo, uzomcala noma ngabe kwenzakalani. But it doesn't look this guy can score in emagemini engathi especially against Mexico, sidlala nabo South Korea. South Korea not the one of the top class but organization mfethu. Ngibukeli South Korea they are organized.
Yeah, they're similar to Japan, they're very organized.
They are organized mfethu and also they are quick. Enye into engibaboni they improve compare sengikhuluma nge-play style. Not ukuthi bangasinika trouble but if banthola nilele you not score against them, they develop a confidence and they can score against us. Asinayo top striker. Mina ngithi singangayo sithi okay ku-World Cup lo muntu angaskorela uFroster I know coach ocala ngayo Foster. I mean second
There's Reynas and Makgopa there.
Truly speaking Makgopa not even a content of goal of top goal scorer as a striker akekho la. Reynas yes uda but not playing at Sundowns bengifuna ku national team. Yes true for mara not ukuthi acala ama games ku national team especially kule confident akuyo manje is no longer himself and obviously khona lese ukuthi mawungadlali confident uyayiluza and sengikhuluma nge-match fitness confident uluzile umjidi yambona ukuba le yabe khona mara ucala igame ukuthi uzoskorele I'm not too sure.
Yeah, if you're in that position, what do you do?
As a coach,
siyazi ukuthi umqeqeshi yena he prefers Lyle Foster,
Yeah.
and we cannot guarantee that he's going to play him. Does it look like njengoba Lyle Foster ngakore sinayo option engcono, which one would you choose?
yeah njoba ngakori mina bengamcala uReynas. I mean uyenzile ku Club World Cup and then make him believe ngala ma friendly game qale start him in this friendly game qale ngegame namhlanje umtshela ukuthi ndo if akakoranga it's coming and then namtshela ukuthi ungasifaki pressure but remember you competing anga vele uzwazi ukuthi is competing and emqale ne second game umqale and then mawuthi kimi njengoba usho if Foster akakori vele which is mean I believe I don't think this guy can score since now playing for us I don't think is uyitholile for yakhe to get goals for us akakori for kithina uyawathola ngaleso sikhathi mhlamba kore but most kora ama midfield from us so abo police that are scoring goals for us and not him kuba bomkwena not him so mina will start ngayo uReynas noma ngabe i-form yakhe is dropped ngiyazi ukuthi what he can do once he can find his form and team yethu nje Hey man, sidlaleni team eku-100 and something. Anandaba nama-results.
130, yeah. It's a shame because we never got to defend against that team.
That's why ngithi kuwe labantu laba zange beze kithi bona ke they are weak. Honestly they are weak. This team
It's a shame.
it's a weak side honestly and
Yeah, because we never got to defend anything.
yeah we never got
Singabacela nabo Egypt nabo Morocco ukuthi senze AFCON encane nje before
yeah that's the truth because these guys masikhuluma nje ivar abasitestanga labantu abenzanga next I saw right mawuthi ba consider penalty yes referee speed penalty but bona bayenzana
Yeah, they were not offering anything.
and it's a European side and it's expected something technically mhlambe okay tactically not even tactically strong ngoba beba late noma bamakha besiba breaker if esithole vele players that are confident strong bane confident is so high real dribbling wizards dlala among two sibabamba la nangama pockets besingalithola goal but now our players now way to look nervous a bit and rushing things as well and coach I'm sure is disappointing, especially disappointed. Let alone play nje yonke. Ama goals. I mean, team njengale you bury them. These guys, we have a shot 5-6. After you dominate them, you keep in position, and then you can give other players a chance. But we saw now, coach team yakang sure. Nah, no manga Butebza is off, Mdiba is off, Mdaw is off. Urila kamqalanga namhla. It doesn't show. I mean to show is not to show ukuthi team yakhe yodlala kanjani against Mexico. Ngoba Mexico mfethu. Mina ngiyabukela Mexico.
No, it's going to be a tough game. It's going to be.
They're not going to wait for us. They're going to press us.
It's going to be
and a very dynamic team. They are very skillful and they play. Ama players wabo they play in top class teams and bano coach smart kakul and it's been a while the coach that is there as well.
On top of the fact that it's a World Cup at home to Mexico, that's going to be a big headache as well.
Yeah. So it's to
yeah. Let's look ahead just quickly before we wrap up. We've got Mexico, Czech Republic. South Korea, so a European team, Asian team, the North American team in Mexico, the home team as well. From this game, Nagumanyama friendly game, Shaiwe, Panama, do we look ready? And even maybe Maupegi squad, so is the squad balanced? Do we look ready for the World Cup?
Yeah, I mean, the squad set obvious, there's a lot of questions. Asiko balance. I mean, angeke uthathele abafana laba abo cross wambe nabo ushiya abo Grant Kekana you understand whereby they play Champions League ushelo mfana uSiyema which is I believe loyal Orlando Pirates has won the league Betway Premiership mangabe uthathe inexperienced player the boys won a Betway Premiership you understand ucompete ku Champions League you understand being an outstanding player week in and week out ama game high winning triple with Orlando Pirates Maru Grant is play Champions League play unfortunately to keep it ulimele Thembi Nkosi Lodge mina umshisha Sundowns it doesn't play Thembi Nkosi Lodge has proved himself week in and week out uziprovile na ku Club World Cup umfana save isigwebo sakhe mangabe khona into bekayifele South Africa engayazi ukuthini I mean the guy is evergreen is performing high profile games with Derby uziprovile individual and away as a country Morocco fika wayenza futhi and also Tito Masonga I believe naye bekumele ayithole chance uTito this time bekumele ayithole chance for me mawuzothatha there's some players that I believe honestly mina uTito bengizomthatha mina nguleko honestly
it must have been a debate between him nomshish kule position because I don't think bafana naye role ka number 10 ngendlela efuna ukudlala ngayo they want to play with 3 central or defensive midfielders.
Yeah, in modern football ilimazile indaba ka number 10 it's not only Hugo Bros modern football they kill number 10 cause thina sinali sting with everybody igame idlala nge-intensity yayo you want to defend ngoba Hugo Bros naye strength sakhe uyabona is just lying to us. He's going there with 3 central midfielders.
Oh, for sure.
He's going to play with Yaya. He's going to play with
Jaden.
Debzam. 3 and uzofuna babe square. You wouldn't want somebody to angeka afuni break at that midfield. So his concept is questionable in fact. There's players are sele and now Brendan Peterson truly speaking angsifen Kupren but truly speaking according to performance yakhe he has done well with
those odonsa uGos or uChain.
I mean uGos bengizomrestanyana because uGos mengimbukela manje ku Celtics award the game they balida 2-2 balida 2-0 award the game other games I mean I'm a fan of uGos but performance yakhe was dropped naye bese dropile so bengizomuthi kancane ngimnika uPeterson not ukuthi ahamba yo starter no and I can't take out
course. There's that other part also to cut you there's that other part yokuthi abantu esibakhalelayo abanye they would have just been a third option there if you think about even Usiyema because umbokazi number 1 uzoba center
Yeah.
back, uzodlala no Ime Akon because babuya ku-AFCON.
Yeah.
You know, so that would be the secondary option.
Yeah.
Even naye uPeterson umuntu angakhala ngaye, even me, like, I mean, we've been seeing him ephakamisela Chiefs, so he kind of deserves it, but he was going to stay at number 3 anyway, so it's
Not
like,
gonna play 3. Ngoba uChina is done well for Orlando Pirates. I mean, uChina won triple. He played week in and week out.
Yeah.
Evergreen. Now Spani noma
and he's
ngabe
been part of the squad
he's been yes set up.
for
There's
the
build
past
up there.
4 years. Yeah.
So noma ngabe uyaya there. Uyamisa just to gain experience to watch, not to play. Yabona ngoba now Peterson, not to say is wow, mele sibe effect.
Yeah.
But improved.
He was a stand-up player with Chiefs in the Chiefs team.
Kule group yabo.
Yeah.
Yabo ubancedile ngePirates, which is sizombheka kulama game akhruti. Yabo ngePirates ubancedile simbonile Sundowns basizile Chiefs idlane Sundowns. But amanye ama game yes basizile na because they were winning.
He's been man of the match.
Man of the match. So
But I don't think he's better than Ronwen.
no, you can't. I
So
think
he's still going to be number 3.
abantu mele bayazi that thing. As much as ngiyezwa I heard many people talking about uPeterson. Not good idea.
He kind of deserves it, but as a number 3.
Yes, deserve as ngisho nami. Uyamshiya uCross. Number 3, go and watch and experience. Yabo. Magali uRonwen should anything happen, you come, you bring shine.
Yeah.
And I'm sure naye makazofaka ucoach the way acabange ngakhona. Ushilo ukuthi noma ngabe na this guy, should anything happen ngoRonwen bese kuba na something happen to this guy. First time azodlala ku national team, uCross has been part of us.
Sure.
Ngiphinde ngima-understand na coach ngoba uCross beyakhona kwaFkhona. He built up uCross pay the experience
Sure, he's been
national
part of 2 AFCONs.
he camp umahotela everything he train with them that thing iphinde be confident noma enza amaplan ukuthi he's going to redeem himself and ngiyam understand you go Broske kulelo side but beka deserve naye ukuthi chance ayi
Otherwise, just a couple of players for you. Grant Kekana, Libona Siema, Temi Goseloch, of course, has always been an ongoing issue as well.
yeah
No, Brandon Peterson.
Brandon Peterson and Tito Masonga yes they deserve a chance yaka Tito ngiphinde ngoba uRelebogile Mofokeng is there but sengikhuluma uTito I mean mina kimi uTito eyakhe iphinde debatable ngoba ukhona uReyners mangabe uThemba Zwane ngimtshintsha ngaye obvious lo mfana lo uThembi Nkosi Lodge uTito Masonga ke ikayi2 ngoba udlala ngestrikers i3 phela wami ngestrikers i3 so uTito because this guy Thembi Nkosi Lodge because compete noRelebogile Mofokeng that's for me ngoba kune strikers i3 okanye bengamshiya evident mahopa mina truly speaking because
He'll never leave him.
I know he loves him but masiba nje in effect you can't rely ukuthi even at Pirates it doesn't start games hayi ukuthi ngithi this guy Mbutuma is better than him because he is better than Mbutuma is better than Mbutuma but I'll rather go bengaya mina ngayo Tito Masonga ngibe the creativity Reyners and mhlambe this guy uFoster but uFoster nakascorile man I wish this guy was striker weSkhukhune has been playing for a national team Bambiza the experienced striker lo
Grobler. No, itime yakhe beyikhuluma ukuthi no
I know he's
it's
old.
gone. He's older.
I
and
know.
He's injury prone.
That's
as
why
well.
I'm saying I wish
If he was
build up.
playing, good build up, yeah.
Build up.
Coming towards
Kwamanye
the World Cup.
ama-friendly game.
Yeah, just last one then as we wrap up. Ukuba ready wethu, this team, looking at these friendly matches, do they look ready? Do they look confident? We can say that bajwayelene kudala bedlala kunye. Many of those starting 11, but ukuza kanje kula ma-friendly like 3, they have not been convincing. Do they look ready for the World Cup?
We're not ready. We have hope because Pirates won triple. Many players, 8 of them, they are there. Sundowns, Sarlaigibo, most because they're playing Champions League, international football.
They won the Champions
And
League.
they won the Champions League. So, but us ready as a national team. So, European team, European countries here. I mean, to say we're playing, let me put it that way. We're playing against teams that are countries that are structured. Countries that not African, whatever tournament. It's more of in Europe, Jobusho say Mexico
Much
against
better
Mexico.
opponent.
Now, I mean, everybody will want to prove himself. It's will be Leonki League. All the leagues will be stopped. Nkhuluma Premier League as England, like Betway Premiership in Spain. Yonke leagues azoba mile. Akekho umuntu ozofuna ukuletha his coach down, and the coaches will pick best players for. So I mean, igroup yethu nje akusigroup emnandi. Nayo akusigroup. It makes it even in Korea mina na. It's not going to be easy mfethu, and all the teams that the countries that we're going to play against, bafana I don't think they are ready. Yes, we're going there. We're happy as a country. Maybe this is face effect phela. we happy for them they qualify.
Yeah, to qualify.
Especially
100%.
izandla. I mean, we can't be so jealous. Kube ngathi sinomona and stuff. But mele sikhulume neqiniso ukuthi I don't think we're ready. Hayi ready. Mina effect nje ngishilo nakuma group stages to go out ngeke kube and the thing is
Yeah, the nice thing about le tournament ukuthi uma number 3 we group uyakwazi ukuphuma. Inkinga ukuthi uzube number 3 kumele udle oyi1. You must try you must find a win in one of them.
we're playing away and even in it's going to be difficult and playing away it's going to be tough nkuleko mfethu unfortunately and ngiyazi ukuthi mele number 3 I heard ukuthi igroup number 3
Yeah, you can get
but akekho ozofuna ukudliwa lapha
Ukuze ube number 3 you must at least get 3 points. So somehow kumele uthole 3 points whether ku South Korea or ku Czech Republic. So one of them you have to win. If you say if you rule out Mexico because they're the home team, they're very good, then we have to beat South Korea or Czech Republic.
South Korea mfethu they've improved.
No, I'm not saying we're gonna win against
Yeah.
them. I'm saying if siyavuma ukuthi home team kuzoba nzima, nathi sobe selaphayana futhi. In the first 80,000 people, first game, it's gonna be intimidating. Everyone hates us, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
So if we can rule out that game, we say okay, siyashaya lapha. Then kusho ukuthi we have to somehow beat South Korea. I'm not saying we're gonna beat them, but we can target them or Czech Republic. It's gonna be difficult.
Yeah, thanks to Diski TV nje ubusho sobe sida
Yeah, for the first game, hopefully.
Yeah, World Cup, yes. Nkulunkulu and right my khuluma when it's good and we thank God and our sisters always we're doing well mfethu sibonga. And truly speaking njoba ngisho Mexico is going to be difficult. Korea is going to be difficult for me. Czech Republic nabo ngeke ngababuke not one of the best side but European njoba usho they plan.
Yeah, Europeans are dangerous.
Le ngwenya lezi Czech Republic nazo ngazibona the structures grand and they rely 1 or 2 3 players nabo. Banama player that are so special 1 or 2 3 players. So hopefully ama players mar mina ngizosho group stages zobanzima.
It's going to be tough. There we go. Thank you very much, Junior. It's going to be tough. It's not, if you are still here in the video, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much as well. We're not trying to make you scared. It's a realistic just conversation. What do we think? We've played 3 friendly matches against Panama again, and then against Nicaragua, which is ranked around Eswatini, Lesotho. They are very close to there in the rankings. And we struggle to break them. But this is not to be negative about our nation. It is just to say that it doesn't look good so far. Hopefully it can start to pick up. Who knows? I don't know. We'll play Jamaica and then we'll go to the World Cup. I've heard that we'll play Jamaica in the last friendly game and then we go to the World Cup. Hopefully things can start to pick up. Sundowns players, Pirates players can start to come back as well. Maybe boost us in terms of confidence. Maybe our strikers start scoring as well. It is KTV, it is Times. We're suspecting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.